Hi, world. Welcome to Persistent Consistent Hustle, PCH for short. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today, I wanted to make a couple of announcements, and I am going to kind of look a little bit over at my notes because I do not want to miss anything important because this does bear understanding and clarification. Okay, anyway, once again, my name is V, for those of you that are new. And if you've been with me for a while, you know that this channel was, I don't want to say what, you know that this channel was about crafts, products, and tutorials. However, I am making a little shift. Well, I shouldn't say a little shift. It's actually a big shift because over time, what happened was I became a published author. I started creating journals and also my children's series, Palo and Cass, which I'm very focused on. I have two of those, two books so far in the series on Amazon, and I'm getting ready to create another book for another book in the series, and also a book for the holiday a little bit later on in the year. So from this day forward, Persistent Consistent Hustle is going to be my published, focused channel. And what you'll see going forward will be behind the scenes publishing, Amazon KDP publishing experience, and my journey with my children's book series. Now, let me say this. By no means am I an author that has created thousands of books and making like so much money or anything else. But what I do bring, me beginning this journey. Yes, I have published the book, some of them a couple of years ago, the journals a couple of years ago, the children's book series within the last 2 years. But I'm still not the big author, and people sometimes receive better from someone who is beginning just like them, because you may be a couple of steps ahead and they want to know, well, how did you get to that point? I've had some people come to me that I've helped start, told them what resources to use, what was I doing, and they were so happy to get their book published. And listen, there may be people out there that has their book on Amazon. Maybe they didn't make any money. Maybe they made just a little bit of money, so far. But the thing is, it is wonderful when you see, it is a wonderful feeling when you see that your book is published and it's live for the public to see, whether or not you make $1 on it. Sometimes that's just the boost initially that you need. So I'm saying all this to say it is a journey. It is a journey for me. No, I don't have all the answers at all. I follow, lots of people that I'm getting answers for too. But if I can say something to somebody to help them, or hey, they may make a comment and say something to help me, then I'm okay with it. And plus, one of my goals is the fact that there were a lot of seasoned people, and they are trying to get in, some kind of business or this business. And if I can show them, because I am of that age, that I am doing it, okay, small, large, medium, whichever you want to call it, if I can help somebody start, I'm grateful for that. I'm happy. So this is where Persistent Consistent Hustle is now I'm sorry, this is where the channel is going now. By no means, okay, am I abandoning anything, which leads me to my second announcement. I am introducing to you all the Z Rule Collective. The Z Rule Collective, that channel will be focused on crafts, products, and hands-on creativity, just the way Persistent Consistent Hustle started. I had to separate the two because it was too much of the two getting mixed up, and they're actually two different businesses. So it was just inevitable that the separation happened, and that way I know specifically what's going on with PCH, specifically what's going on with the Z Rule Collective. I hope that you stay with me on this journey. I like to think that we're all in this together, and whichever one you choose to, if you choose to stay with PCH, wonderful. If you decide that you just want to be in Z Rule Collective because that's more of your speed, crafting, and all of that, that's fine. I love them both. But that's me, of course. And I know it's my, you know what I'm saying? It's my thing, yeah, and I get it. But I would love for you to be in both. Please subscribe, like, share to both channels or one or the other. Again, this is V, Persistent Consistent Hustle, PCH for short. Thank you for those, again, who have been with me all this time. Yes, the channel will be more consistent because that's in the name. And those who are, like I said, just coming in, just this is your first time. Thank you, thank you, thank you for stopping by. Please, please, please come on over to the Z Rule Collective and see what's going on there too. Until next time, this is Persistent Consistent Hustle, PCH for short. I'm V. Make it a great day.